Hey crafty friends, I am happy to announce that I am going to be an instructor for Not Too Shabby's free virtual Cottage Rose retreat. I'm going to be sharing the kit in this video and just a little bit about what I am going to be creating for you guys. Now here's everything that you're going to get in the kit. I will have a link to the kit down below in the description. This virtual retreat is in May, and I am going to be sharing how to create a really unique fun fold card. Now, I did not come up with the idea for the fun fold card. I saw it on Pinterest and I just thought, oh my gosh, that's going to be so great. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I have homework for you guys. There is going to be written out step-by-step instructions for how to complete the card. So you guys will be totally ready and prepped. So there was some beautiful linen patterned paper. This pattern paper here, I just think is so pretty. There's some of my favorites in here that I did use for a few of my projects, although I only create one in the video, but we have sample projects that we will be sharing. But look at all the beautiful florals, the different colors. I love that it feels kind of shabby chic to me in a way. Look at this polka dot paper, you guys. There's 3 colors of that, and I use that more than once. That polka dot paper is my favorite, and I would love for there to be just paper pads with that polka dot paper. Look at that gorgeous pink. Look at all these fun florals and fun images. You have plaids, you have checkers. This one kind of looks like wallpaper. I love that. Look at this next polka dot. It's kind of like a greenish blue, and I just love it. And then you have this little sentiment sheet that comes in that pattern paper. Isn't that fabulous? Then we have little die cut pieces, little ephemera pieces that come in your kit. These are so darling. They're such beautiful floral images. You have cute little ducks and little lambs. I think there was a bunny. Don't hold me to it. I don't remember. Cute stuff. This is not even all of it. This is the stuff that I took out that I'm going to use. There's some more other little things. Little pieces of furniture, little signs. Look at those cute little baby lambs. Little floral arrangements. There are teacups and teapots and little tiny flowers. Just all kinds of just girly, beautiful things. I think it's so pretty. Look at that cute duck. A little birdhouse. Just tons of fun stuff. So I'm going to stick that back in the box or back in the container, because I think if I don't, I'm going to throw it everywhere. So anyways, the link is down in the description for you guys to get all the information about the virtual retreat, the days. You can order your kit. Yeah, it's going to be fantastic. I've seen some of the projects from the other instructors, and you guys are definitely in for a treat. It's going to be fabulous. Okay, let's get on to our other things here. Then we have our beautiful little enamel dots. I love that there's glitter inside. I love the colors. So pretty. You have this sentiment die that says bloom. Fantastic die. And then you have the stamp and coordinating die set. Look at those darling images. Oh, I just think they're so fun. So I hope you guys join me for this retreat. Oh, then we have our cute little chicken wire stencil, and I use this a lot. It was really cute. So anyways, I hope you guys join me for this retreat. Click the link below, get your kit. Again, the retreat itself is free. It's virtual, and we are going to have a really good time. Thank you guys so much, and I'll be back with another video soon.